Hi everyone. With customer self-service financial service cloud, but I just quickly inserted few slides from the other earlier presentation just to touch base on the what is financial service cloud is the background. Financial service cloud is, in simple terms, it's a combination. It is a managed product by Salesforce, industry specific for financial services industry, for example, bank of various types, commercial bank, retail bank, investment bank, um, portfolio management organizations, asset management organizations like that. It also covers the insurance companies. So anything related in the financial world uh, for that industry specific Salesforce solution. It is built on standard sales and service cloud, but with FSC license, it automatically comes also with Experience Cloud and Tableau CRM. So Financial Service Cloud is the built-in core modules or features or the functionalities are related to financial account. It has B2C model, business to consumer. It has relationship builder and map, which is for banks to have maintain and build better relationship with the bank's customer. It also has the bankers console for their banking needs. Advisor analytics, it is part of it comes along with the Tableau CRM. Built-in feature for bankers or financial advisors to advise their customers related to various investment opportunities. It is it deals mostly with the data and with built-in Einstein features. So not only the recommendation, but it also has the Einstein uh, voice, for example, chatbot and other things. A new feature is coming up specific to
related to Einstein artificial intelligence, that is Einstein
relationship management. That it may get part of the package officially soon. So, customer 360. So it for standards in normal Salesforce account
is one
has multiple contacts, and the contacts are usually an individual. But in Financial Service Cloud, is a concept of person account. Person account is a combination of account and contact object, where uh, if the account is and the contact is an individual, if the person account is activated, then the contacts uh, part of the account. So that means it is kind of an account relationship. The concept, the idea, the business can have a bank account, and the business owners and employees can also have a bank account. So to
account
relationship gives the bankers to get a better understanding both about business entity and the human being or the person related to it. The business financial object and the individual they are they can vary, but with FSC, both the bank to understand both the business entity, which is a B2B customer, and also the owner, employee, and other related parties associated to the business. Okay,
we will see that
in a few minutes what exactly it is. But in roll-up, in a single term, it is the roll-up summary of various objects related to that particular account or financial account. It has a view for the relationship manager, which I just told earlier, that part of the customer 360 degree, one individual, how he or she is related to one business or another individual, that kind of view. And it also has a relationship center, that means kind of a console or a tab, you can think, which the user, the banker, can easily create from that particular window a new case, opportunity, or even some other custom functionalities. FSC comes with some built apps, wealth management, retail, insurance, commercial banking. Based on the customer can choose to configure or utilize the app based on their business stream. If they are retail in banking, they can just unpack the retail banking related functionalities or the modules. They need not to worry or unpack the insurance, and all these are separated until they are unpacked, installed. But if a business or if a bank or financial organization has multiple lines of business in wealth management, retail, insurance, and commercial banking, all they can utilize all of them. And as it is part of the same platform, the account records can be shared both physically or even virtually across the other apps. I already mentioned that it has some insight with machine learning and AI and dashboard and reporting capabilities. What I was saying that Financial Service Cloud comes with a lot of pre-built flows, and if you go to setup and write flows in processor under processor, and there are many flows which can be published in the Experience Cloud or the bank's website or the finance website, where the customers can, apart from checking their bank balance and other things, they can also interact with the system. For example, it comes with the Activate card. It comes with create case, okay, and can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen. It's all flows.
Okay. So and you the customers can order checkbooks and various kind of activities, self service activities for the customers. It helps it has these flows. We can, as I said, it comes pre-built, but it is also possible to develop your own flow and publish it in the Experience Cloud. So what I told earlier, that when the user logs in into the website with the credentials. Then based on the contact ID, Salesforce understands whether the card activation process he will be able to see. If there is any error, it goes to the error screen, else the activation process. From the screen, there were two subflows and activation confirmation screen. The second one, what I was explaining, was the create cases. By the way, I'm just going through some of the flows so you guys can understand what are at least the or mostly used flows what are there. So the next one I was saying that create case, and when the case gets created, in this flow we can design for both what would be the customer's experience and what would happen after the case gets created in the Salesforce. Okay. For example, when the case gets created, then we can add the decisions and all the assignments as well in this flow. The third one, which I wanted to touch base, issue new card. And this issue new card is not for the not directly from the Experience Cloud. Here, what is happening that the service from the financial account object, they would be able to run this flow to issue a new card for the users. Okay, so this is kind of the interface of a financial service cloud. And what I told earlier, this is this financial account is a object, and the contacts are also here. All the contacts are person accounts. Okay, and here are the modules. There are some comes with built-in apps for different financial industries. Earlier I was in wealth management. Now I just changed to retail banking. And the interesting part here was so this is and these are roll-up summaries. If you remember at the beginning, I told that there are account types, roll-up, relationship view. Can you get the screen now? I'm on presentation. However, these are the objects, and when earlier I mentioned about the account roll-ups in various form. This is the roll-up of the financial data. So this is for this person's object, where we have various kind of financial information of this account, and also we can have in related all the related objects, including case and other things. Okay, the relationship we told at the beginning, it is the what is the relationship and how the relationship of this user with other individual or other business. Okay, the flow which I was referring to earlier, sorry. So from here, if from this, if we go to this finance, it is possible to activate any kind of row, flow, and put it in the quick action. Okay. So that's all which I wanted to cover today. I hope I could have managed to give at least some basic and preliminary idea about financial cloud and how the built-in flows can give the opportunity to provide a customer self-service to the end users.